Hey my peeps, welcome back to a Unique Journey food channel. Today we're going to do Caribbean green seasoning. Here we have some parsley, cilantro, celery, red and green bell pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, ginger, and a habanero pepper. I didn't have any scotch bonnet. Alright, so grab your knife, your cutting board, and we're going to go ahead and do a rough chop of each item. That's some celery. Then we have the green bell pepper, the red one. Let's chop them up and add them to the food processor. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can use your blender. Just add a small amount of water to get the blender to start. If you're using a food processor, don't add any water. But if you're using a blender, make sure to add just a small amount of water just to get it started. Go ahead and chop up your parsley, cilantro, and also your ginger. I'm going to go ahead and add them to the food processor. Add our garlic, ginger. We're going to add a pepper, but remember now to remove the stem of the pepper before adding it to the food processor. Now, if everything can hold in the food processor, don't worry yourself. As you blend, you add to the food processor. Go ahead and add all the ingredients in and blend for 2 to 3 minutes or until you get a smooth paste, just like this. Now I'm adding it to a smaller bowl just to show you what it looks like. And this is the end result. Caribbean green seasoning. You can add it to an airtight container, put it in the fridge and use it up for about 1 to 2 weeks, or go ahead and add it to an ice tray, freeze them, and then store them in a freezer friendly Ziploc bag. All right, there you have it. Caribbean green seasoning. All right, my peeps, later. Blessing and love always. Bye.